Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at the OVA 8 Gold pole. This is a 37-foot pole. We purchased it just because it's got the oval shape to it, and we thought that to give this a try would be a good piece to see how it's different from your standard round poles. And it truly is different with you don't have to worry about these sections twisting on you. The clamp systems are pretty decent. They're your basic CNR purple clips, plastic, but they function fine. And I think they function fine because they're doing half the work is what normal round poles are doing, because they're not stopping you from the pole sections twisting. My only downside with this, the only downside, is the big downside, is the butt end on your main pole. You can break this down to like a 25-foot section too, and it's got these, it's got these end protectors. The end protectors are very cheap. Mine actually came off when I was unpackaging it. I don't know if you can kind of see there. It's just got like an 1/8 of an inch, maybe a 1/4 of an inch plastic cap. They are replaceable, and I would imagine that these are going to be need to be replaced a little often. We just touch them on the concrete so much. If you're doing residential, this might be fine because you're mainly kind of putting these poles in the grass. Maybe I could see that happening. So the pole itself is a shorter pole, which is kind of nice in the sense that you can reach out, max out a section right there within reach of even a shorter user to drop sections or raise and lower sections. The downside of having so many sections is you're going to have your butt end section is going to be so much longer. I mean, it'll be a little fatter, so that's kind of something to think about as well. But as far as the function, how these poles slide together, the levers, great pole. We added I don't know if they call it a gooseneck, but it does stick out much longer for like ledges or whatnot than most, than your standard poles do with these swivel necks on them, which we really like. We do a lot of commercials, so we're going over deep ledges, so we do like how the distance here is bigger than most. That's a look at the OVA Gold 37 foot. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.